guys, welcome back to my channel, and what I have for you today is a recipe that you can enjoy during the Super Bowl. I had a request after I did my planner that was themed of the Super Bowl to do a recipe, and I said sure, I love to eat, so here's the recipe that I found on Pinterest. I haven't tried it yet, so we'll be trying it together, but it looks really good. Caution, it looks really fattening as well. Okay, so let me show you what you'll need if you want to make this cheesy bean dip. Alright, what you need is two 16-ounce cans of refried beans, and I got the Old Elpaso kind and the fat-free. Now if you want to make it even better, I would say, is get the spicy beans. But sometimes I don't do well with really spicy foods, so I'm just going with the original. So you need 2 cans of that. Then you need 1 packet of taco seasoning mix, and I just stuck with Old Elpaso since I was right there. And then you need 2 cups of cheddar cheese. And then you need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And then you need 2 cups Monterey Jack cheese. Now I could only find the Colby and Monterey Jack mixed, and I don't think it'll bother it one bit because cheese is delicious, okay? And then you need 1 cup of sour cream. So, and you want to heat your oven, preheat it to 350 degrees, okay? So let me get this going, and you'll need a mixer. So the first thing that we're going to do is just open our refried beans. Okay, and for time purposes, I'm going to go off camera till I open the other beans, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I have my refried beans open. Then you just put them in a bowl because we're going to use a mixer to combine all these ingredients together, and it really looked yummy and sounded really good. Okay, so let me set that right there. Then we're going to need a packet of the seasoning mix. It's a really easy recipe, and it looks like it would be delicious, but highly addictive. Okay, so let's see. Oh, that's already smelling so good. And then you need the sour cream. So we need a cup of sour cream, but I'm going to go ahead and do the cheese first. So we need 2 cups of the cheddar cheese. Okay, and that is 2 cups right there. Okay guys, I deviated a little bit from the recipe. I put 2 cups actually inside of my cheese dip because I wanted it to get real stringy inside as well as on top. So I'm going to do this. You don't have to. You're actually supposed to sprinkle both cheeses on top, but I'm doing mine this way, okay? So then you also need 1 8-ounce package of your cream cheese. Okay, there goes our cream cheese in. Alright, and then you need 1 cup of sour cream. Okay, let's see. Well, 1 cup gets us. And I'll put just a little extra. I love cream cheese and sour cream and all that stuff. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is get my mixer and mix this ingredients until it's combined nicely, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, it's nicely combined. It was very easy, and it doesn't take any time to make this. Now you'll need a 9x13 aluminum pan. Okay, now the recipe didn't call for me to spray my pan, but I'm going to. Then all you do is just simply pour this deliciousness right out into this pan. Hey, honey.
Yes, baby.
Can you come here a minute?
Sure, what can I do for you?
Can you hold this right here?
Sure, I'd love to.
Oh, thank you. That was heavy. And it makes quite a bit. And it smells totally delicious. Okay, I think that's good enough. And then all you do is just spread this out. Okay, all you do is just spread it out in your pan, and this is what you have. Now, what you do next is you take your Monterey Jack cheese and you just take the whole 2 cups. Like I said, this is not for the faint of heart. And you just sprinkle this on top. Now, originally you were supposed to also mix the cheddar cheese on top. But I put mine inside. I thought it might taste, I don't know, maybe better, more stringier. I'm not really sure. But this is such an easy recipe. And I think it's just going to be so delicious. If you love cheese, and I love cheese. This does seem like a lot, though. But if you wanted to make it a little heartier, you could add some meat in this, like some shredded chicken or some hamburger, something like that. And you could have nachos very easily. Matter of fact, you could put anything on this that you wanted. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is put this in my oven. It's already preheated on 350, and I'm going to bake it for 25 to 30 minutes or until all that ooey gooey cheese gets wonderful. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys, it is out of the oven. I baked it for probably 30 minutes on 350, and then I turned my oven up to 400 and kept it in there about 5 minutes. But it looks so delicious. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to serve it with some chips. I just picked this up at the Dollar Tree. It kind of reminded me of a football. Or Dollar General, I'm not sure. And I'm just going to put these chips in here. I knew I should have bought the little football that I saw at Dollar Tree, because that would have been really cute. Now what I'm going to do is get in here. This is so hot and bubbly and super cheesy. Oh, just look at that. Oh, that looks purely heavenly. Okay. Honey, you wanna try some?
Oh, thanks, babe.
Okay. Didn't think I'd have to ask him twice. Okay, let me get a little bit here and try it. The cheese is so nice and crunchy. And oh, this is a big one. Let's try this. It's going to be really hot. Is it good?
Hot.
Look at that. It is piping, but look at that cheese. It's just melted, and you can smell it. It smells so good. I think this would probably be delicious like this, but I can imagine putting some form of meat in this and maybe rolling it up. Or this is a very simple recipe that's very versatile. So let me try it. Oh my gosh.
Really good.
That is delicious. Now, I didn't put quite all the cheese on top of mine. I left probably that much in my packet. But this is a really good little snack for the Super Bowl. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.